Hi everybody, this is Rudy from Buzz-Lightening. Today we'll be automating a light switch with Alexa light controls. If you want to know how to make your light switches automated, look at my video. Thank you and have a great day. The first step to automating your light switches is to remove the facial plates and the pre-existing light switches. And that's the part we're going to do right now. I got one screw left. This process has already been started. So I'm just going to remove the faceplate here. And by the way, you want to make sure that you have all your electricity disconnected or you get zapped. And with the faceplate removed, we're going to be replacing these two switches. This switch is already on a remote control. And it's a dimmer switch, but I want my fan replaced and my light switch replaced. So I'll be removing that. And to remove those, you just remove this screw and this screw, this screw and this screw, obviously. Next, I'm going to be replacing or taking off the light switch itself. These are your hot wires. Okay, and neutrals all together, and you have a ground wire just right there. We're going to remove that on both switches. Okay, it looked like a little spaghetti or little noodles right now, but I have the switches isolated out of the system. You got your two hot wires and your ground and your neutrals back here. And we're just going to tie the wemo switches into the neutral and put everything back together and program it. Sounds simple, and it is. Stay tuned. This is the new wemo light switch, which you control with your cell phone. If you go to wemo's website and download the app, you can be able to control your light switch from anywhere in the world. Belkin makes this product, and the switch looks kind of sort of like this. I have one previously open that I'm getting ready to install. You got your switch plate if you're just doing a single outlet, and then you got the switch. Your switch comes pre-wired with pre-boxed with the wiring nuts, and you got a couple of wirings here that's all taped together. I will take that apart. Let me just take that apart real quick. It's kind of sort of hard to film it, but I'm going to take it apart and then come back to you. Hi everybody, I got it open. Can't really mess this switch up. You got two black wires, which you're going to connect back to the corresponding wires. You got a white wire, which you're going to tie into the neutral bundle, and a green ground wire. They're all color coded, so you really can't mess those up. The green ground wire goes to the brown bronze wire. Real simple. Stay tuned. I want you guys to take notes. These are your white neutral wires. These are the black control wires. Do not confuse those. You're going to tie the switch into the white neutral wires right here. All right, everybody, I want you to note something. The wires are going to be a little long. You can just take a pair of regular needle nose, snip them, take about half of that off so you can connect your washer nuts. I don't want to insult nobody's intelligence, but somebody won't do that and mess up your wiring. Okay, everybody, everything's connected. All the neutrals are connected. I decided to use a red cap again. I had enough room. All my load wires are connected to each other. You can see this one down here. And the ground is connected. See this brown copper wire. And both light switches are like that, the same. Now we got to tuck everything back into the box nice and neat and get the light switches situated. Hi everybody. The switches are wired, and now they just got to be adjusted so they can fit on the switch plate. It can be a little challenging getting them back in the holes, especially if your builder didn't put the box in correctly and it's loose. But you just use a handy-dandy screwdriver and adjust it back and forth, and that'll help line up your switch plates. And make sure you don't touch any wires and cause them to short out. Okay guys, there you go. The outlet cover is back on. This is a little challenging, but it's there. Okay, we're going to program the lights next. Echo, turn on master fan. Echo, turn off buzz. Echo, turn off buzz.